Stop scrolling, guys. If you are a fan of Hollywood mystery and thriller movies, then today's video is going to be very interesting for you because we are going to talk about the upcoming Hollywood movie The Huntsman, a film that is already creating curiosity among movie lovers. So let's start from the beginning. The Huntsman is basically a mystery thriller movie. This is not a simple horror film, it's more about suspense. If you like movies where you have to think, guess, and wait for the twist, then this film could be perfect for you. Now let's talk about the story concept without supplier. The movie revolves around a hospital setup and a patient who is in a coma. Everything looks normal at first, but then some strange crime cases start connecting to him. From there, the suspense begins. You start wondering, is he really innocent, or is there some hidden secret, or maybe someone else is behind all this? This kind of story makes the audience stay connected till the end. Now, talking about the mood and visual style. The movie has a dark and intense atmosphere. Cinematography, background score, and camera work are expected to be very immersive. It's the type of film where even silence can feel tense. So, if you like movies like suspense thriller, crime drama, or mind game stories, then you will probably enjoy this one. Now, let's talk about why this movie is getting attention. First, the concept is interesting. Second, Hollywood thrillers usually focus on deep story and character development. Third, the mystery element keeps the audience engaged. Movie lovers always look for something new and different, and this film seems to offer that. Now about the release. According to updates, The Huntsman is expected around 2026 release window. Theater release first and then later it may come on digital platform. India release date may differ from USA, UK, Canada, so keep checking updates. Now let's talk about who should watch this movie. If you like mystery and thriller, if you enjoy slow build suspense, if you like mind twists and deep story, or if you just love Hollywood content, then this movie could be on your watch list. Now my personal expectation, I think if the storytelling is strong and twists are well played, this movie could be a solid thriller experience. But of course, we will know the real impact only after release. And guys, one tip, don't expect just action or horror. This looks more like a brain involving thriller. So be ready for a story, not just visuals. Now I want to know from you. Are you excited for The Huntsman? Do you like Hollywood thriller movies? Or which type of movies do you prefer, action, horror, comedy or thriller? Comment down below. I read every comment. And if you want regular Hollywood movie updates, reviews and recommendations, then don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, keep watching, keep enjoying and stay curious about movies.